To integrate this, we must first understand the basic rules of integration. So what is important is what is this side. We have dx, dy, and dz. So this is very important because this is what will help us to know what to start with. So what are we respecting here? It's the x. So we shall start with the x, and for the limits we shall move with the what is inside here. Okay, so lower limit 0 and upper limit is a 2. So we're going to say integral from 0 to 1, there 0 to 2, and for this we're not going to write because we are integrating. So we are respecting x, we will move with this x. So it will be x power 2 over a 2. There's a power 1 here, add a 1, it will be 2. You divide by the new power, which is over 2 here. Okay. So after that, we put the limits from 0 to 2, and we write dy dz. Okay. So now here it's just to simplify. So equal to the integral from 0 to 1 there, 0 to 2, and then we put a 2 here, so it will be 2 squared here. Right here we put a 2. Okay, and actually we have forgotten y must be here. We put a 2 here. We don't need to do anything to this y, we just write it here and put a 2 here. 2 squared, it will be 4, so here it will be 4 over a 2 and a y there. Okay, so we have dy dz. Okay, so 2 into 4 is a 2. So we have the integral from 0 to 1, 0 to 2 of 2 there, y dy dz. Next here is to just factor out the 2, okay? And we integrate now, we're respecting y, so we move with y. The limits there is 0 to 1. We forget about this because we are integrating now. It will be y squared over a 2, okay? Limits from 0 to 2, and we remain with the dz, okay? So these 2 and the 2 will cancel. We shall remain with integral from 0 to 1 of y squared. The limits there, we have these dz. So we put the limits here, we shall just have a 2 squared, which is just a 4. Okay, so if we put a 2 here, 2 power 2, it will give us a 4 and a dz. Okay, next we integrate there, we shall 4z, and then the limits is 0 to 1, or 0 to 1, which is equal to, here we have a 4, and when you put a 1 here, we shall just get a 4. Our solution in this case is a 4. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and follow me on my Facebook page, Jacob Sichamba Online Math. Bye.